Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel with a new video. If you remember, we had a really bad snowstorm destroy our chicken coop. As you see, all the netting on the ground, and we have like about 4 posts that half broken. So still the weather, we got the weather a lot better, but still not enough to fix everything at once. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try to raise those posts, pull them to the back just to raise the netting a little bit, make more room for those chicken to walk around and keep the predator away from our chicken coop. So first things, we're gonna close this gap here with this tool. You saw it before, it's clips, and that's how we can just go ahead and raise it up. All right, so I got this strap tightened to the top of the post into that tree. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna loosen up the camelon and just it will be stood in a place, then move to the next one. So all right, it's standing on its own. Looks good. Okay, second one is set up and looks much better, much better. Here's the peacock. Hey buddy. And move to the other side. Okay guys, it's much better right now. They have way more room to wander around. It's a mess inside, need to be cleaned, but this is probably will work if we don't get another snowstorm. But more than this, I can't do nothing. The ground is doable, like you can run the machine with those tracks, but still you can't dig and do stuff around to put more posts and stuff. So that will do until probably late summer when it's really dry. Then we'll start putting more posts in the middle here. I'm gonna add 3 posts here in the middle, and then we gonna even take those off or support them with another posts in front of them or next to them, whatever it works. But yeah, mission accomplished, at least for now, and chicken seems happier. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel to support us. Keep doing what we are doing, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, you guys take care.